Hey guys, this is Mukesh and today I'm going to talk about the best YouTube thumbnail maker. And not only thumbnail making, this application possesses a lot of features available and you can make a lot of options. Like you can make Twitter post and you can make Instagram post, and the name of the application is Canva. This application is available as a web page, and this application is also available as an application in Play Store. And you can also make Facebook post, Instagram post, Facebook cover page, and Square social media. And you can also make photo collage, you can make poster, and you can make flyer, and you can make invitation, you can make a card for your birthday party, and you can make Twitter post, and you can make Twitter header, and you can also make black banner, and you can make YouTube thumbnail, and you can also make YouTube channel art, and you can make YouTube story, and you can also make Pinterest graphic, and you can also make CD cover, and you can also make the cover page for your book. And these are a lot of features available in this application. Most of the features are really free and some of the features are cost, and the web page is really useful there rather than the Play Store application. And you can choose your template. Don't choose the template possesses the symbol of coin, and now I wish to choose this template, and just give a time, it loads some time. And after that you can add your text, and you can also add your image, and you can also your template, and you can also your graphics. So now I want to edit subscribe me. Okay guys, I just enter this text, and you can also change lot of text are available, lot of text designs are available, and you can also change the color of your text, and you can also change the text styles, text size, and you can also make the background image, and you can also make graphics design. And there are a lot of text options available, text styles available, and this application gives you the better photo. And these are the history of my photos, and you can also make your farewell party designs. And this application has an option of PNG and JPG format. And after adding your frame, and after adding your graphics, and after doing your templates, you can easily download the image or PNG format into your gallery. And this application is completely free, and this is very much useful to you. And I hope that guys this application is very much useful to you. And thank you guys, keep watching. And if you want to help me in Patreon, and please subscribe me and also like me. If you like this application, share to other your friends. And thank you guys, thanks for watching. Let's see you in another video.